Hi there, autonomous robot fans. Zoz Brooks here, welcoming you to another of RoboNation's 2013 competitions, the Student Unmanned Air Systems competition, or SUAS for short. Unmanned air systems are flying robots, sometimes also called UAVs or drones, so they need a lot of space to do their thing, which is why we're here at the Naval Air Station at Webster Field, Maryland. Around these runways, the competition designers have set up a reconnaissance course that the aircraft will need to navigate autonomously, trying to bring back information that could net their creators fistfuls of dollars in prizes.
There's actually three aspects of the competition, not just the mission part here, flying part, but they have to do a journal, and then they have to do their oral presentation. It's not a regurgitation of their written paper, it's more of a flight readiness review. How do they know that they're ready to actually come out and fly tomorrow?
We give places for overall, for the best flight, for the best journal, the best briefing, but we also have prize barrels so that every team that goes out and finds the bonus target can get prize money. Every team that spells what the targets spell, which is always a secret, can get prize money for that too.
If it can fly higher than 100 feet, it can compete. And this year we have more entries than ever before. 31 student teams who have brought all kinds of aircraft, including a bunch of rotary wing entries.
I'm always very impressed with the performance from one year to the next, but really that 31 number that you threw out is only representative of the ones that actually made it here. I think they started with something like 48 teams that had actually expressed interest and applied to be here. Unlike a lot of the other competitions we do, the aircraft competition is unique, that when teams are doing their testing right before the event, if they've got a catastrophic failure, it oftentimes means they can't even show up.
It's great that we got this much turnout. Obviously the word's getting out. We're hoping that all teams will be able to fly. Obviously that with 2 days of flying, it compresses the schedule down a little bit, so we had to reduce the mission times down, the setup times, and we changed how we do some of the timeouts.
Each team will only get a 30-minute flight time window, so it's critically important that they be ready to fly as much of the course as possible as soon as they get out there. And hanging over their heads every time they take to the sky is the risk of an uncontrolled descent into terrain. That's a technical way to say a crash. We always hope not to see those, but you never know what's going to happen once things get airborne, so the action will be coming fast and furious. And I'll be bringing you lots more details of the individual teams and their super cool custom aerial robots in upcoming videos, so be sure to stay tuned to all the action online at RoboNation.org.